Hey guys, how's it going? It has been a while. I wanted to show you guys a fun little trick that I came up with in the last couple of days that I've decided to call Deja Vu. It's a repeater, so it's like deja vu. It's something that happened before. And it starts with a double or nothing, so that looks like this. You get into your double or nothing and you pop the yo-yo up, and then you undercut it. Yo-yo up, undercut it. I've been enjoying doing it, so I thought I would show you guys how to do it. To start it, instead of doing your normal double or nothing where it's only around the index finger of your non-throw hand, free hand, I throw it all the way over my hand. It gives me a much bigger loop to work with. And then I throw the yo-yo from my free hand towards my throw hand into the string that's above that index finger on my throw hand, like that. And then I undercut the yo-yo with the string that's going over the index finger of my free hand. As soon as I undercut the yo-yo with this string, I drop my index finger of my free hand out of that loop. From there, I bring my free hand down underneath my throw hand and back over the top of my throw hand. I pop my hand apart to bring the yo-yo up into the air, and while the yo-yo's up in the air, I undercut it, and it takes me back to that double or nothing with the string wrapped around my wrist. From that point on, it's just a matter of doing it until you get bored or your yo-yo dies or you get booed off stage. I like to do it with a little more speed, so it kind of looks like it's going left, right, back, or if you're right-handed, right, left, back. Well, that was Deja Vu. I hope that you enjoyed learning it. I think it's a pretty fun trick to do, and it looks pretty cool. If you have any questions about it, just let me know in the comments.